Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over some advanced kicking combos that you can add into your training session. Now let's get started. Now before we get started, definitely make sure you're nice and warmed up and stretched out because we're doing a lot of different movements, a lot of different footworks, spinning kicks, and high kicks. So make sure you're nice and warmed up and stretched out before you start doing any of these combinations. Next, I do want to clarify these combinations are more for fun, kind of to test your kicking abilities and your footwork. Not really designed for sparring, but if you want to try them out in sparring during your training, go for it. But these are more for fun and add them into your training. This first combination, you're going to start off with your front leg. You're going to skip up fast kick or skipping front leg roundhouse kick. From there, you're going to put it down and do a tornado kick. So both of those kicks are going to be with the same leg. Once you get there, you're going to set from your tornado kick, do a step forward into a back leg double. So you're doing that spin, step forward, and chase them down with a double. This next combination, you're going to start off with a back leg double. From there, you're going to do a back foot. You're going to step forward. From there, you're going to fake a tornado kick, and then you're going to throw a spinning hook kick. So after that back leg double, that initial step, that's going to help you set up your momentum, help you set up those spins to keep going forward and land that spinning hook kick.
See you screaming, I'm like, what for? Oh, you pop? Yeah, I got popcorn. I been wake up on the wrong lawn, so we won't stop. It's a lost cause. Take a look through the peephole. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show.
This last combination, you're going to start off with a back leg roundhouse kick, put it in front. From there, you're going to do a reverse turn step, set your stance, pop up a front leg double. Once you land from that, you're going to do a turning step going forward into a power back leg axe kick. Definitely make sure you take this one slow at first. There's a lot of different movements. You're mixing a lot of different footwork, spins, and kicks, but this one is a lot of fun to throw. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see any tutorials to the kicks that I threw in the video, make sure you look in the description box down below. I'm going to link my Taekwondo tutorials playlist. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.